we want to make a table of values for the cubic equation y equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. For integer values, that's whole number values, of x from minus 3 to 2. For our table of values, I'm going to convert x values directly into y values and not split the equation into parts. Our x values go from minus 3 up to 2 using only whole numbers. Substitute minus 3 into the equation. We get minus 3 cubed plus twice minus 3 squared. Take away minus 3, take away 2. If you're working this out on a calculator, input everything here directly, including the brackets. Without the calculator, minus 3 cubed is minus 27. This would be 2 times 9, which is 18. This would become plus 3, and this is minus 2. Minus 27 and 18 gives us minus 9, plus 3 take away 2, which is minus 8. Doing the same for the other values, we get 0, 0, minus 2, 0, and 12. If you were trying to plot the curve, you'd find that these points don't give you enough detail. You'd need extra points. If you took some half-unit values, minus 2.5, minus 1.5, and so on, and plotted the extra points, you'd probably find that you could draw the graph quite accurately.